Hello my friends, my name is Mohammad Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you borders, shading, sort, show and hide. First we will learn show and hide. So what is mean by show and hide? If I click on show and hide, so it will give me dots and arrows. So if I see dots, so dots are representing space. So it's showing me that I use space. Getting me? And if I use tab, so it will show me the you can arrow. Getting me? So this is the way by show and hide we can see either person use you can say space or tab. Okay. Then we have sorting. What we are sorting? For example, if I say here Ali, or I should off it, and if I say here Ali and then Kamran and then Naveed and then uh, Zahir. Okay, whatever you say. Naveed. Okay. Okay. So first of all, we will select this all and we will click on sort. And here we have two options. The first is ascending and second we have descending. So what do you mean ascending? Ascending means that it will sort our you can say text from A to Z, and descending means from Z to A. If I say here descending, so you see that Zahir is first because Z and then Ali is last. Getting me? And if I say ascending, so the Ali will be first and the Z will be last. Zahir. Getting me? So this is called ascending and descending. Then we have called shading. For example, if I have for example this, and if I want the shading, what I do, I will first select this and then I will click on this, and here it will give us a line, or you can say a shading. So this is the way to get the shading. Okay, so if you want to get a shading like this, so what you need to do, first you select this and then click on this, and here it is showing us you can say shading. Okay, any color you can use, any color you like. Getting me? Then we have is called border and shading. Border and you can shading is very you can say very important. So in order to use border and shading, first we need to click on this arrow and then we will go border and shading. Border and shading, the first is borders, or first we should see page border. So page border, so we have settings. The first is box, shadow, 3D and custom. First we will see box. So in the box, what kind of box do you want? The style, you can pick the style, and it's also showing the preview. Okay, and the color, you can also change the color, and the width of the width of this border, and definitely you can also use art. You can see that now I have a border. So if you want to apply a border, what you need to do, first you need to click on this border and shading and click on you can say a box. Okay, then we have called art. What is art? For example, if you want to show the art to someone, for example heart, for example, so definitely you can also show heart to anyone. Then we have is called borders. For example, if I select this, if I select Zahir, or if I select Naveed, and if I go again in the place of border, page border, if I say just borders, and if I click on box, and if I pick the style, so here we have two options. The first is apply to paragraph or apply to text. Apply to text means that just apply to text like this. And if I say you can say if I say here you can say apply to paragraph, so you can say it will apply to all the paragraph. So we have two options. Okay, apply, if I say okay, what we have apply to text, so this is just the text. Okay, and apply to paragraph, so if I say apply to paragraph, so it will be like this. Then we have is called you can shadow. If you want to show the shadow, so it also showing the shadow. If you want to show the 3D, so we also have 3D. And if you want, definitely in the custom is we are using. Okay, what we are using is called custom, and we also change the color as well. Getting me? So this was a lecture on border and shading. You can say definitely shading, sort and show and hide. So this was a lecture on definitely on all these things. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.